Creating tables. As we had discussed earlier, the table is a very important object in the database, which holds the data. This lesson will teach the methods available for creating a new table. The datasheet view is one of the ways that can be used to create tables. The design view is another. The advantage of using the design view is that we get more flexibility and control over the creation of the table, as we are able to define data types and primary keys. To open the database, follow these steps. Click on the Office button. Click on Open menu. This opens the Open dialog box. Click on the eGizmos database to select it. Click on the Open button to open the database. Now we are ready to create your first table by following these steps. Click the Create tab on the ribbon. Click the Table Design in the Tables group, and this opens the Design view to create tables. We have opened the Design view and are now just ready to create the fields. On the screen, you should be seeing the following column headers: field name, data type, and description. In order to complete the table, please enter the following. Enter category ID in the field name. Choose number in the data type by clicking on the drop-down. Click in the description column so that it gets highlighted. Key in the following in the description column: unique identifier. Now press the Enter key to proceed to the next row. Now that the first field has been created, the other fields can be created in a similar manner. Enter category name in the field name, text in the data type, and name for the category in the description column, and then press the Enter key. Enter category parent in the field name, number in the data type, and parent identifier in the description column, and then press the Enter key. Enter category product in the field name, text in the data type, and category of product in the description column. Enter category product count in the field name, number in the data type, and total products in the category in the description column. Click the Save button, which is present adjacent to the Office button. This displays the Save As dialog box, prompting you to enter a meaningful name for the just created table. Key it in as Category. Then click on the OK button. Microsoft Access 2007 now prompts a dialog box to add primary key. Click on No. Now Access saves the table as Category. Close the Table Design view by clicking on the Close button. It is recommended that there be no spaces for any of your field names, and hence we have used an underscore for field names. Modifying tables, adding new fields. Whenever a live system undergoes modification, the underlying database, especially tables, also get modified. One of the key scheme changes is like a table of additions to new fields to suit new requirements. Let us now add a new field called Category Header to our category table. Before going ahead, do ensure that the table is opened in Design View only. Follow these steps for this activity. Click on the empty cell in the field name column below the category product count field. Key in Category Header. Navigate to the data type column by pressing the Enter key on your keyboard. Choose text from the drop-down. Key in the following in the description. Header information for the category. Now, save the table to effect the changes.